Have you ever wondered why Google is the king of search engines? It's all about delivering the most relevant results. Google's secret weapon? A complex algorithm that efficiently sorts through a massive database to find exactly what you need. It all starts with Google's crawler, which scans the web and indexes data into categories and niches. When you search, Google's master database springs into action, showing you the best websites, images, and videos. One of the game changers was the Panda algorithm, introduced in 2011 to combat plagiarized content and ensure high-quality results. Then came Penguin in 2012, targeting backlink spamming and rewarding genuine, high-authority links. Hummingbird, launched in 2013, put an end to keyword stuffing, focusing on natural, high-quality content. RankBrain, introduced in 2015, is all about understanding user intent and delivering the most relevant search results. The latest update, Page Experience, rolled out in 2021, emphasizes user experience, fast loading times, and stable pages. These algorithms are the backbone of Google's success, constantly evolving to provide the best search experience. Quality content and user satisfaction are key,